I can't even.
I know, you're weird.
So, this is the beginning of our vlog. This is my cousin Divine. And then this is my sister Darlene. Do you like her hair? It's very curly. Sorry. The little camera shy.
Oh.
So, Darlene's just helping Divine with her brows because Divine has weird brows.
I really do.
Like, they grow weird, so it's hard to just do them. And then she has brows like me that are, like, already thick, so you just need to conceal them. Like, as you saw on this one, that one's just concealed, and it already looks like we already filled it in. Did you guys fill it in or no?
Not really, just
bit.
a little bit.
Yeah, you can see a little bit. But, yeah, because she has, like, the same thing I have. Like, dark brows, but she just has weird growing problems.
We don't want to, like, fill it in all the way.
Yeah. Because then it looks really dark.
Too dark, yeah.
Oh, do you guys want to see my sister's brows?
It probably got on your sweater. Did it?
No, I think
it did. Let me wipe it off.
Oh.
No, hell no,
Divine
I'm
put it on
changing.
her thing. But this is Darlene's brows. She legit don't even fill
I don't
them
even
in.
do them, dude. I didn't even try today on my makeup, so don't even judge me right now.
A little bit?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, she has little brows.
But they look good for her eyebrows to be thin.
It's good for her face shape.
Big shape. I have a big ass face. No.
And that on his eyebrow. But then they match your big old eyelashes. Mm-hmm.
No, this is what we're doing. And
You
then
messed
me,
up.
I didn't do my makeup,
That's what I
but
waited
I
for.
curled my hair. Don't pay attention because I legit just did this side.
But I like
This is the side. Fuck. Well, I'll go to the bathroom.
Did you finish doing your hair?
No, I get bored doing my hair, so I'm on a break again. What? What you saying, girl?
Stop moving your face.
Doing
Your
stop
mouth.
it. Stop moving your mouth.
Stop moving your bones in your face.
Muscles.
Your bone muscles.
Bone muscles?
My bone muscle.
I don't fucking know, dude.
My
Yeah, we need to color this in a little bit or brush it out because I make this too. Please stop.
Stop moving my bone muscles, please. We come the other day and there was fishes.
They took them out because they don't take care of them.
When? She's on, let me see.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you have to look at the Christmas stuff. It's so cute.
Put it around your neck. Holiday, happy holiday.
Oh, those are, you have to hold it.
Please.
You have to hold it there.
Yeah, done
Divine.
it. You dumbass. This doesn't even work. Oh, remember the little one?
No, this one's cute. So cute. I know, I wanted to buy another fish, but I threw away my fish tanks. I had like 5 and I threw them all away.
Let's do it at the same time.
Look, I want to see that little.
See if they're on
snowman. I wanna
beat.
see that little.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, I don't know.
No.
Oh, that one doesn't even have one. Remember?
I thought you were gonna turn on this one.
I'm gonna try these two because they were together, but no.
Wow, you're done.
Wow, makeup on point.
Thank you. Look at the sun.
Dude, look at the Santa. It's so freaking cute. Look, it goes up and then it goes down.
Hi guys, I didn't even introduce myself. I'm Divine.
Pose, Divine. Go pose by the trees. Go. Ooh, watch out. Ooh. And then there's Darlene.
Darlene, say hi.
Darlene, pose like Divine.
She's not confused. You have to drop.
Divine, go show her how it's done.
No.
Go show her how it's done.
No. Blur that part out.
What?
That little snowman.
What snowman?
The Santa.
I mean,
let's go.
What snowman?
That one. Duh.
Oh, this snowman. Oh my god, I even noticed the snowman was on
Yeah,
there.
you did. And I posed right next to it.
Okay. Okay, ready to move
One,
Divine. My
one.
first.
2, 3. Want her move?
Divine, go pose with her. Pose, guys. Go. Divine can't even reach it.
I know. Oh my god, it'll fall on you.
Come on, cut!
Oh, stop it.
You guys are so much. But look at the sweaters for the dogs. I really love them.
Dude, what is this? Let's go.
Did I steal somebody's picture?
Too much.
Look at your candle. You got some of the fucking salmon.
I know, I got it
snowflake.
everywhere.
I mean, what's his
Here.
name?
Wait, I want to look in the dog aisle. I love the dog aisle.
Desiree, you're so annoying.
None of these will fit any of my dogs. Whack. Hit her head. Beat her ass. Okay, should we go to the Halloween store now?
Oh my goodness, this? Where's the caterpillar? This one?
Yeah.
This one's a small?
I don't know. Like this. Oh, like that one's super cute. You could buy him that one. Oh, watch out! Killer in the area.
Oh
Killer.
my god, you're scary.
We didn't have that one in our hand. And I drew little circles so we could.
Oh my god, Darlene, you guys' hair look the exact same. Look at it. The hair looks the exact same. Ah, watch out. Girl, you broken. You can't do nothing.
Oh, pause. Oh.
She's like, you move this fucking hair. Oh my god, look, they have the spider web now with spiders. And I was looking for some.
Dude, masks are just masks, but when you put them on,
They
they look scary.
look scary.
Take a shot out of this, I would.
Okay, Divine, don't try to grab someone. Those are fucking candle holders. She's like, I'm gonna take a shot, but it's a candle thing.
Well, you could use it for both. Alcoholics make it out of anything.
Okay.
Stop putting that shit in my face.
Bless you. Kilo. So this is my mom's dog. Come here, Kilo. 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 Come here. So this was my dog. Me and Brandon got him. But then my sister wanted him, my baby sister, so we gave it to her. Huh, Kilo? He was my baby. And some days I want to take him home, but Dominique loves him. And then he only likes her. So weird. So we're just looking for a movie to watch right now. And we're at my mom's house, Divine.
What do you guys want to watch?
Yeah, we don't know. Divine wants to watch a scary movie. I really don't care, but most
Netflix has every movie except for the one you want to watch.
like Netflix scary movies are not scary. They're
so
just
stupid.
they're stupid, yeah. And yeah.
Look at these dogs. What do you want?
So he's 9 years old. He's Nikki's best friend. And then that one's
Yes.
1.
That's
He's a
Dominique's
baby.
papers.
He's a baby, Kilo.
They're
Yeah.
fucking crazy.
Crazy bitches.
You should see when they fight. Come here, fight.
Fight, 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 fight.
I'm not even talking to you. I'm not talking to you guys.
He has an extra toe.
You have a get the fuck Area 51.
It's
Get away
his
from
back
me.
toe. He has an extra one. Divine, he's
Get
a
off.
baby.
Get up. Darlene said.
Are you recording, dude? Make sure they don't
You
fucking
even
bite.
put chile on it. You're the like.
A little bit.
Yeah, you're fucking awesome.
Here. Make sure they don't. Go in here, come on. Go to your camera. Come on.
They're living there.
Look what she made me, guys.
Darlene is a wifey, so
Yeah, I love coming to her house.
yeah. So my cousin Divine, she lives next door.
Yeah,
Like right there. The house right there. Like I'll go outside and I show you her house.
Yeah,
Cause she lives right there. And then
and we're cousins.
I know, that's so funny. They say they always come over and just hang out.
Yeah, all the time.
Oh, that one's a good movie.
The witch?
Yeah.
Dude, I thought it was so dumb. It's not even scary.
Who is dumb, Divine.
Antidote. What's that? I think this one looks good, but it's in Spanish. Or no, it's not even Spanish. It's weird.
There's a bunch of different language movies now.
But
That's
this
not in
one's got
Spanish.
one movie that
Okay,
for
but
sure.
this is what we're doing today because we got hungry after Walmart. We were there for how long? Divine?
For like 2 hours, like an hour and a half, sort of.
Oh my god! And Darlene was so weird over there, so we left. And then we're gonna go to the Halloween
I wonder
store.
What happened.
Dude, we should have went back.
I
and
wanted
see how-
to. Daddy issues with the bug.
So-
I have to go back to it.
Divine, Divine, you're gonna be like
I'll
same.
go get some sodas. And the two chairs are in there.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait for you.
Thank you, Darlene. Oh, it's hot. Okay, got my beans, so I'm gonna stop now because they're hot and I feel like I'm gonna spill.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Mother came in Chloe. Okay, Snoopy.
Wow. These girls over here.
You guys are all recording. Just wants me. Hi, so I'm in my sister's room, and I just put on this, and then I put some eye cream on, cause you can never be too young. That's what Kylie Jenner said. Like she started at a young age, and stuff. So I was like, I'm gonna do it. But look, hold on. Look at my sister's room. She's an artist. She drew all that. I forgot which one. She won second or third place. I don't know where it's at. But yeah. She won in her like art contest at school, she won like second or third place. I forgot which one it was. But yeah. She painted her room gray. This is her outfit she said she might wear, and I told her that's a little too extra because I'm wearing a t-shirt, pants, and just some Vans. And my Vans are dirty that I need to clean. Yeah. So yeah. This is what I have too. That's what I use for my lighting. It's bomb. Okay. I'm gonna do my makeup.
All right here, we're looking like bad
Adios,
fellas.
Snap. It's NAT period DEVINEEE. Oh, not O, but just O.
Yeah, so this is what we
And
dress
juice.
like. Yeah, we got this.
I put ice in ours because everyone else was already getting hot.
Yeah, it's hot as fuck. And we brought sweaters because we thought it was gonna be outside.
Yeah, what the fuck? I'm gonna take this bitch off.
I know, we took how long to try to find me a sweater? Because I lost
Yeah,
my
we
sweater.
went to like 4 different houses.
We went back.
different times.
Alright then, bye bye. I just helped her with this. This is my mom, by the way. Like she likes to do blonde. I'm looking at white. Oh, sorry for the weird lighting. Oh my god, I'm saying lightning now too. It's because it's like orange up there. Dude, but the walls are white. It's weird.
Thanks, Sis.
Yeah. Look at her tattoo. She posted up twice. She was supposed to get, what was it? A tiger? A butterfly or something? What is it?
Yeah, tiger face, butterfly, whatever.
Yeah, and then she messed up, and then she put the LA one, and then...
They fucked it up too.
I was gonna say, how was it fucked up?
Because it's too light. I want it darker.
You just need to go for a touch-up.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys want to see what she got Friday on the 13th? Oh, wait. She's doing this. That one means sister. All her sisters have it. So see, like, she got that one for Dominique, because she's a Scorpio. And then she got that one last year for Friday the 13th, because she's a Black Widow. When that song came out, she was a Black Widow forever. That's her Snapchat, Black Widow _30. This is, instead of a ring, this is mine. No, but that's for, like, the wedding band, right? That's
Yeah.
what it is?
Yeah, wedding band.
And then their date when they got married is in the inside. You can't see that at all.
It's so tiny.
Yes. So, what is your hair color you want to, like, basically do? Caramel?
brownish because I'm gonna put like 3 different colors. I have them right there on the table. I am doing.
Let's go look.
Colors.
Let's go look. Dominique, we're trying to do her hair right now, but she didn't let us.
Yeah.
Where is it? Let's see.
I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna mix them all together. I'm not sure if I want to put this one
Sure,
in.
guys, stuff you got.
I have all these are.
What is
See?
that one? That one's like a red.
Yeah,
Oh, these are empty.
light copper. See,
Oh,
this
they're like
one's
red.
light copper. That's to give it like a little red kind of tone to it, but it's gonna be brown kind of.
Why am I so...
Tan blonde.
Okay. So I'm just going to steal this so then I could go and do it at... No, I need to get the freaking thing.
Medium brown blonde.
Yeah. We were going to do mine right now, but I'm going to go to a bird auction that you guys are going to be a part of. So that's going to be so much fun. But I'm going to go already because it's almost...
Time for you to be there.
Mom, your boiled eggies.
Oh my god.
I just saw the light right now. I was like,
Oh my god.
let's see if they're burnt first.
They're not.
Almost. They're already cracking and expanding.
But I kind of, oh sorry, I kind of always crack my eggs before I boil them. They're easier to peel.
No, they're easier to peel when you right
No.
away put them in ice.
No, actually,
Yes, it
if you
is.
crack them a little bit, and then yeah, they're way easier to just.
When you put a bowl of ice and water, cold water, it's good.
Oh, I just do it
All right,
like
then,
that.
whatever. Grandma
I just
showed
do
me
it like
that.
I just do it like that.
My
It
grandma's a
works.
pro. I don't know what she's talking about.
It works for me. Sorry.
Okay, time to go to the bird auction. Bye, Mimi.
So I already got a snow cone.
No.
So I'm at the auction with Brandon. And I got a snow cone and cotton candy because they already had some. But this is the auction. Oh, and then there's these people over there. I forgot to record because I had my wallet and a snow cone.
What?
But basically what happened was that these people dropped their chickens and now they're like in the road. So the chicken crossed the road because 2 little kids are chasing it. Ah.
You should have chased after that chicken. Those chickens, dude.
Yeah, they're like over
I'm
there.
still trying to get it.
Yeah, they're 2 chickens. And they had 2 beautiful, like one's silky, what was the other one? Silky?
Yeah.
Oh, they have food here too. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go put you down real fast to eat my silk. Look at these pigeons! Oh my god, look at the baby. Oh wow, look at that one. Yeah. It's for my dog. He's so cute. Oh, look at babe. He was trying to get on her right now. Oh, he's pecking him. Oh, look at these duckies. Oh, are these geese? Whoa, look at this one. This is my dream turkey. He's dope. And look, they have, what's it called? Peacocks. I like to get emus.
Hey, but that team.
That's my Uncle Joe. That's my cousin Omar, cousin Nathan, Louis, Arlie.
Hey, that was Nathan. Not
Where's the other one?
Oh, yeah, that was.
And then there's Joey.
You're vlogging.
And then I bought this one. I'll show you. So I got this rooster
She owns this one.
and this one.
This one.
I got this one for Skylar. And then these ones. I got these 3. They're West England tumblers. And then I got these ones. Yep. Oh, and then Brandon got these ones. Hold on. Excuse me, Nathan. Hold on.
17.
It's on the line over.
Next one,
so you
next
can
one,
hear
2 for 10. Okay, next one for 10 also.
Show him, Nathan. I wanted these ones because it's the pair, but they already sold them. It came too late.
Hey, cock for a rabbit.
He was already on her.
You know the head soul, Woods Meeting Lane, and we got some over here that are kind of. Hey, Queen.
Brandon got these two, and he thinks that one is a rooster. Yeah. And my uncle, he got these ones. He got two
Hey, Arnie.
of the rollers and stuff.
Okay, we got these guys. We got those.
So yeah, this one's Arlington.
I'm Nathan.
They just came from football game. So everyone's cleaning up now. All of them are gone. Brandon took ours already, because ours was right there and right there and stuff. And we took them because we took them home already. But I got left behind because we ended up buying a bunny in 2 cages that didn't fit in the truck. So Brandon had to go drop off the bunnies first and then come back and get me. In total, we bought 17. I think it's 16 birds and then the bunny, or 17 birds and then the bunny. I forgot. But yeah, it was cool.